United Nations Development Programme, UNDP, celebrated its 50th anniversary on 15th October 2016 at Mitundu Primary School in Lilongwe.
This is very specifically a celebration of UNDP at 50. So if you may recall, we celebrated Malawi's independence, which also coincided with the UN system having operated 50 years in Malawi. So this is very specifically the United Nations Development Programme having operated in Malawi for 50 years.
In the 50 years, UNDP has helped Malawi in different sectors.
Some of the noticeable achievements is some of the institutions that have been built with UNDP support. The Malawi Institute of Management would be one example. Another noticeable achievement is the continuous support from UNDP to strengthening the democracy in Malawi. So through supporting all the elections that have taken place since Malawi became a multi-party democracy, supporting a number of the independent institutions from the Office of the Ombudsman to the Human Rights Commission. Also very important is UNDP's work in terms of poverty eradication, both in terms of thinking through how to do better through analysis and reports and debates, as well as working at the community level to empower women, to empower girls, to empower the communities.
Minister of Civic Education, Culture and Community Development, Honorable Patricia Kaliati, was guest of honor at the event.
We really salute them because there are a number of programs which UNDP has done in the 50 years. In this microfinance, we are empowering women to do business, but also to do the savings. And that these COMSIP are other programs which we are providing as a country, as Malawi government, to say, yes, you've started, and we need also to support you, to say that, to show that we are committed as government. When they are targeting these people, they've got also to be involving them into groups like the COMSIP, so that the money which they get should not be from hand to mouth, but they've got to keep some. The shares should remain there, they get the profits, they have good houses, they pay school fees, they have decent clothing, they have all the six nutritious food for their own health. In that way, they'll be using the shares and they'll be improving their living standards.
The event focused on development results in Malawi, which have been achieved with support from the UNDP.
Looking forward, UNDP will increasingly bring these issues together as the sustainable development goals are multi-sectoral. And a key consideration there is to make sure that what we do takes into account the fact that Malawi is very vulnerable to climate change, and therefore we contribute to building resilient communities and a resilient nation.
The event started with a display of different products by Malawians who received assistance from UNDP.
UNDP has encouraged creation of an enabling environment.
There was also a panel discussion on Sustainable Development Goal 1, which aims at ending poverty.
Kumango tidele la kutine sanga lole